How to change subtitle language on YouTube app. Hi everyone, this is Kate from Create Login and Delete. Now without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up YouTube application in your mobile device. After that, make sure that you're logged in with your account. Now once you land in your home page, navigate to your profile icon from the bottom right corner. That's gonna take you to your profile page. Now again, tap on this gear icon or settings icon from the top right corner, and under the settings page, scroll down and look for an option as captions. So tap on captions. Now under this caption preferences, make sure this toggle is turned on that says show captions. So first of all, turn on this toggle. Now tap on more option. Here you will find an option as language, tap on it. Now from this drop down box, you can choose a language that you would like to change your subtitle language to. Here I will choose another language. And as you can see, this Espanol Mexico has been set as my subtitle language on YouTube. So this is the way to change subtitle language on YouTube app, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next video.